Hello everybody, I'm back with another video, and tonight I'm going to show you guys how I set up my Knex Pharaoh's Fury Carnival ride model. It's one of the simpler rides to set up, so I'm going to get started. Bring the camera closer here and show you what I'm going to do. Okay, if you notice right here in the front, there are a couple of clips holding on to the top of the towers. I'm going to unclip those. And then when I do that, it's ready to raise up like this. Get in a better position so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, the towers are together there, as you can see, but what I do is unclip one, and the arm's going to swing over here. And it's going to connect here to a little gray connector. Same thing on the back side. Going to unclip here, swing the arm over, connect it to a gray connector down here at the bottom, like that. Okay, and up here I gotta straighten this out and lock in these little tan clips. Okay, show what we got so far. Got the boat down there, towers are up. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is unlock the boat at the bottom. And to do that, I just unclip a couple of red rods, one in the front, one in the back, like this. Then I'm going to raise up these and connect to the swing arms. Okay, same thing here. Raise it up, connect it to the swing arm. Okay, I'm going to slide these red rods out that lock the boat in place. Okay, and now I'm going to take off the extended supports off the front and the back. And I'll show you where they go. Okay. Down here, this one's going to go right there, like that. And then one right here, like that. And then on the back side, same thing. To the other side, same thing over here. Okay, next thing to do is to remove the sign. The sign's right here. Take off the sign. Put my little clips back right here. And the sign just kind of sits in here like that. All right, and the next thing to do is to take off the steps right here. And they're going to clip onto the front right here. And now we have a fully set up Knex Pharaoh's Fury. It just kind of free swings but you can get the idea. Well, it's gonna try to roll with me. Get on the carpet, so maybe it won't roll. It's probably still gonna try to roll. Yeah. Take off the wheels and it won't roll. Okay, got the wheels off, so now it won't roll. But it just free swings like that. Pretty cool ride. One of the easiest ones to set up. And take back down. And since it doesn't take long, I'm gonna rack it back down. I'm gonna put the wheels back on. Okay. One more wheel. All right. Now we're going to take the steps off. Going to slide my red rods back in to lock the boat in. Slip in there, and one slips in here, like that. Take the sign off and put it back, right there. Okay, I'm going to disconnect the swing arm here and lock the boat back in place right here in the front. Disconnect this swing arm, lock the boat back in place here. Now the boat's locked in place. Take off my extended supports. Just like that. Okay. And right here I'm gonna disconnect these or slide these tan clips over, these lock clips over, so the towers will fold back together. Just disconnects from a gray connector, slides over and clips, just like that. Another one over here on this side. It's going to swing over and clip there. And now it's ready to lay down. I'm going to lock it back in place. Okay, I'm going to put the steps back on the front of the trailer. Okay, and now to reattach the extended support arms to the top of these towers here. have it for the Knex Pharaoh's Fury. I hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty simple setup and tear back down or rack back down. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I have some more rides in the works. Like I mentioned in my other videos, I've got a scrambler that I'm working on, trying to get it to work right. Being kind of difficult, but I'm still working on it. I'm going to get it going, and hopefully be able to do a video on it within the next month or so. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you would. I enjoy making these videos for you guys and interacting with you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. And until next time, take care and thanks for watching.